Okay, Mr. Monaghan here. We're going to be talking next about using your palette with paints. If you look in your box, you should have red, yellow, and blue, which are primary colors, and you also have black and white. White will make any color that you make a little lighter, and black will make any color that you make darker. So an example of a lighter color might be turning red into pink, and an example of turning making a color darker, we might add a little black to green to make it a dark green. Okay, and the yellow, blue, and red primary colors, they will make all the other colors. So we have red and blue, which will make purple or violet. You have blue and yellow, which will make green, and you have yellow and red, which will make orange. Okay, so those are your basic color combinations for making colors. Usually with that palette, you can make any color that you want. The colors that you can't make from these are like metallic colors, like silver or gold that shine, or like neon colors. Those are like specific paints. But you certainly can make gold color or silver color using black and white or yellow. Okay, so when we're mixing our paint, the first thing we want to make sure we do is that when you pour your paints onto your palette, you don't want to pour too much on. You can always put more paint on if you need it, but you can't put the paint back in the bottle. So I usually recommend kids using about an okay sign, or maybe like a nickel or a quarter. If you get a little too much on there, no big deal, but in general, that's what I try to teach kids to use when they're starting out. Okay, for color mixing, once you have your colors laid out on your palette, you're going to take a little bit of one color, like yellow, find a new spot and set it there, and maybe take some of red, and mix those together in your new spot, which will give you your new color. Okay, now if you wanted to make another color after that, you'd wash your brush off, and then you could go ahead and make new colors. If you want to make that color lighter or darker, like I said, you would take a little bit of black. Black is very strong. It's like hot sauce. You only need a little bit, and that will make your color darker.